Right, for those wondering what geometry really is, so this short video is for you. So what is geometry? So geometry is the math of shapes and space. All right, so everything from buildings into planets uses geometry. All right, so in the next few minutes, 3 minutes, around 3 minutes, you will learn the core ideas of geometry. So the points, lines, angles, and shapes. So a point, I'm sure you know what a point is. So, but a point shows an exact location in space. Of course, it has no size. So, a line is a straight path that extends forever in both directions. So, this is an example, and you know what a line is, right? So, if a line has two endpoints, and that line is what we call a line segment. So an example is this. So this is a line segment. It has an endpoint at point A and another endpoint at point B. And that is what we call a line segment, AB. Right? And we have here different line segments. And we have the first line, this first set is those are line segments that are parallel. That means they don't meet. They never cross. They don't meet. So line segments that are parallel. All right. These two examples here are line segments that cross or intersect each other. So we have an intersecting line segment. So these two line segments intersect each other. All right. As well as this intersect each other. However, the last one, they're intersecting perpendicularly. So they are perpendicular line segments. That means they intersect at right angles. So that means their angles are actually 90 degrees, intersecting at 90 degrees. So that means that is 90 degrees. This one, the previous one, is actually not 90 degrees, right? So the last one, they intersect at 90 degrees. That means those two lines are perpendicularly intersecting each other. All right? That means so that's 90 degrees. That's also 90 degrees on one side, 90 degrees here, and 90 degrees on the other side. So that's perpendicular line segments. All right? So when two lines meet, they form an angle, just like what we have. What we've seen, you know, angles are measured in degrees. All right, so when lines meet, they form an angle. All right, a right angle is 90 degrees, like what we have explained here in this diagram, right? They're perpendicular, so that means they actually meet at 90 degrees. Angles smaller than 90 degrees are acute angles. So this one is an acute angle. This one is also an acute angle. All right? They're acute angles that because they are less than 90 degrees. So that's an acute angle. Now, larger than 90 degrees are obtuse angles. So this one is larger than 90. This one is also larger than 90 degrees. That means they are obtuse angles. All right? So remember, less than 90, they are acute angles. So this one, this are acute angles. While this one and this are greater than 90 degrees, and they are obtuse angles. All right? Now we know what angles are, right? Now, a triangle is a shape with three sides. We already know that, right? So triangles are important because they form the basis of many structures and design. Now, for example, in our case, civil engineers, we design structures, right? And we always have triangles everywhere because we believe that the triangle is the strongest shape, right? So they form the basis of many structures and design because a triangle is one of the strongest shape, all right? A circle is a shape where every point is the same distance from the center. So every point that's on the circle has the same distance from the center, and that distance is, we know that, of course, radius, right? That's the distance of every point on the circle from the center, the radius, all right? And so geometry would help us understand shapes, structures, and the world around us. So in geometry, there are points involved, lines involved, triangles, and circles, right? So there will be angles as well, right? And there are circles. Those are the foundation of geometry. All right, so that's just the basic concept of geometry. If you have some questions, just leave a comment below and don't forget to give me a like. All right, I hope to see you again in my next video. See ya.